Honda really does not like when you take their parts off their cars. This Fender's got me on my knees, man. Hey, what's up guys? It's Carlos back here with Central Florida Pick and Pay, and today I am here trying to take out a few parts from my project car, my 2004 Honda Civic. We're gonna find out how much exactly I be walking out those doors with. So right here, we got our beautiful 2004 red Honda Civic. We're gonna be stripping all the parts from. Today I'm gonna try to take the cruise control. I'm gonna try to take the hood. For the cruise control, all you're gonna be needing, your trusty 10mm socket. Just gonna put that bad boy right down there. That's one. That's two. And that's the third bolt. Now the rest is cutting. Got my trusty little plier cutters. And that right there is my cruise control box. For the hood, I believe it's a little bit smaller than a 10mm socket for the hood. Right there was the last bolt. And just like so, I took off the hood prop and I got myself a bright red hood. Gonna be finding out what exactly it is that we need for these fenders. From the looks of it, we only got these two bolts right here. The only socket you're gonna be needing for this Honda Civic today is a 10mm bolt. Just make sure you don't drop it. Those never come back. Gotta unclip the pins. Got myself a flathead here. Let's see if we can pop off these little caps holding in this fender. One. Here's to me, we have one last bolt right here by where this rim is at. See, a little sneaky one. Might have to pop this door off real quick to get this last bolt. So the project has complicated just a little bit, but not to worry, because we are gonna work our way around it. We are gonna take off this fender liner and we're gonna take off this door so we can get to that last bolt. Right now, working on taking off that crusty old fender liner. Boom, just like that. Now with that out the way, should be able to just stick this right in there. Where is my extension? On the floor. All right, now we're gonna pop out these bolts. All right, so I was able to get that one bolt from right here loose with this 10mm wrench, ratchet. I don't even know what to call these things anymore. This Fender's got me on my knees, man. And we got this last Phillips screw on the top. And that right there is gonna set our fender free. I'm free. Ow. Damn, that hurt. I don't know if I cut myself or not, but it's okay. Honda does not want you taking their fenders, so they put more clips of plastic in the inside. I was about to say, don't you be messing with me, boy. Two more Phillips heads from the side behind the edge of the bumper. And now, officially for the 100th time, the plastic won't come off. Are you serious? All right, we're back at it again with our ratchet. Honda really does not like when you take their parts off their cars. Now, it's my Fender. It's a bit dirty from all the work I put into it, but it's mine. And now we are gonna take all of our stuff to the checkout to see how much exactly it is that we are gonna spend on those 3 pieces today. I have a hood, I have a fender, and I have a cruise control module. Let's go find out if I broke my record of 150 and under and if I went over or not.
You can tell whenever you're ready.
Ended up finding everything I needed here today at Central Florida Pick and Pay. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment what you would have pulled out of that 2004 red Civic. And I will go ahead and take this to my project car.